What is up, guys? I just pulled this damn gas tank out finally. Minimum spillage. I got most of it pumped out here. About 15 gallons or so. So I've got one more hose hanging here. I was hoping to kind of prop this up on its end. Maybe I can actually do that. Maybe I can do that. I don't know. That doesn't give me much room to work, actually. So I've got it this far. I might as well just pull it all the way out. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, got that off for now. Alright, so there's that. Gasoline is out. I mean, gasoline tank is out. And I'm going to go ahead and start cutting, I guess. I got to dry that puddle of gasoline up real quick, but a little bit of collateral damage. But yeah, it's out. Nice. If you made it this far, you made it pretty far, go ahead and subscribe to get notifications for this and other jobs. Whew. Thanks for watching.